Hi everyone, it's Patty. I just wanted to show you today an unboxing of my Avon shipment. This came about 2 weeks ago. I'm a little bit late opening it up, but it's time. So I want to take some time today and do a unboxing. Just to give you a little bit of a backstory, I used to sell Avon 1984 to 2005. And then had left the company for a little while. My son was coming and he was on his way. So then I was too busy with it. It was a little overwhelming at the time. And, just with the busy activity of Avon. So I thought, okay, first things first, we'll give it a break. And then if I want to, I'll come back to it. So years later, then I decided to do that. I rejoined Avon in 2020. So right at the pandemic was going on. It's still going on. But back then, I tried to get hand sanitizer. Well, it wasn't going very well. And I tried looking online, eBay, Amazon, other places, and they were basically doing the price gouging. So what would cost $3 would cost $30. So I knew better. I was like, this is ridiculous. So thought enough of that. You go to Walmart and you go to CVS, they were cleared off the shelves. So I thought, okay, I used to buy it from Avon, and back when I was doing Avon, they were just coming out with it, the hand sanitizer. So sure enough, I looked it up, Avon.com, and there it was on sale for $3, something like that. I was like, yep, they're not gonna price gouge, I'm gonna do it. So I decided to buy some. And then also they had the $0 sign up at the time, so I did that and thought, okay, and get my hand sanitizer at a discount and anything else I want to buy at a discount. So here we are. Yeah, so now 2022, decided to just get back into being a little more active with my business and then make an order. So my account went back to active. So here we go. I got the box. So I'm all good with hand sanitizer, and that's a good thing. Yep, good old Avon. Can't go wrong with Avon, right? So here we go. I'm gonna open the box. Of course, I had to open it up earlier just to see what was inside, but I didn't take anything out. So here we go. Of course, since 2005, when I stopped selling Avon and rejoined in 2020, there are a lot of new things here at Avon. They still have all the classics. So let's see what's inside our box. But yeah, a lot of new products have been added to their product line. So this is the Campaign 17 brochure. Looks like they're added the sparkling grapefruit and orange blossom to their Senses line. Yummy. That looks nice. And you get a free gift inside. So freebies are always good, right? It looks like the freebie is the shower brush. Yep. So back of shower brush features massage nubs. Okay, cool. Also scan, shop,